What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your NocoDB with n8n. So first head over to the n8n's website and then log in with your n8n account. After that, in the new tab, you will see this homepage of n8n. So from here, after coming to the homepage on the right side, you need to click on create workflow, and after that you will be redirected to the editor of workflow. So from here you need to click on add first step, and then you need to search for NocoDB. After that, when you see this NocoDB option, click on this, and then you can select the triggers, or you can select the actions. Here are the actions, or you can also select the triggers. Let's say I want to create a row, so I'll just click on create row, and after that, in the credential section, I'll click on select credential and I'll click on create new credentials. So from here, it asks for API token and the host. So now in the new tab, you need to open your NocoDB account and then you need to log in with it. And after logging in with it, here you will be redirected to this home page of NocoDB. So from here, you need to go to the left side in your at your profile, click on your profile and then click on account settings. After clicking on account settings on the left side, you can see this API tokens. Click on this, and then on the right side, click on add new token. After that, you just need to give your token a name. After giving the name, click on save, and then it will automatically generate a random API token. So just simply copy it, and after copying it, come back to n8n and then just simply paste that particular API token. Now, in the host section, you just simply need to copy this. As you can see, you need to copy till this slash after the .com, and when you copy it, you just need to come back to n8n and then just simply paste it. After that, you need to click on save to save this, and then as you can see, the credential has been successfully created, and this is how you can connect your NocoDB with n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.